Students, I wish to speak to you today about failing high school. This is not often taught in class, but it should be. It should be, for it is one of the most essential pieces of one's life. Now, we'll start with the first part. Never turn in your homework. This is one of the most needed parts to failing high school. Your teachers will tell you often that turning in your homework is a very good thing and needed, but if you wish to successfully fail high school, do not listen to them. Heed their words not. Never turn in your homework, and your first step will be successful. Secondly, designate a sleeping pattern for each class. As is said by many doctors, you must have good sleep every night. And it is wise to keep on this routine by sleeping in class, all classes, each day for approximately 45 minutes, every time, every day. By this, you will not hear half of the words that the teacher is saying, which is excellent, excellent and wise for you to fail high school. For your tests, you will know nothing. Your homework, you will know nothing. All good points. Number 3, come to class 30 minutes late every day, every single day, to all classes. This is good because your teachers will think less of you, which means that they will give you lower grades. Always good to getting lower and lower letters on that report card. Essential. Fourth, never study for tests. Tests are one of the most important pieces of the final grade and the quarter grade. But a test, doing well on a test, is terrible. It will impede your skills in failing high school. You cannot study for a test, ever. You will possibly do well, which cannot happen, ever, ever. You must never study, and you will be assured to fail tests, and therefore fail high school. Needed. Fifth, remember to always be disrespectful to your teachers. And all adults in general. Your parents, always good to be disrespectful to them. This is helpful in teaching you in later in life to be disrespectful to everyone, which will help you on the way to perchance going to get a job. Anything of that sort. Being skilled in the art of disrespect is essential to failing high school. Sixth, instigate fights, always, on a regular basis. If you instigate fights, you will have the chance of being injured. The injuries will then allow you to go to the hospital for an extended amount of time, perhaps. This extended amount of time will allow you to lose much of the material that is learned in class. Fantastic in your wish to fail high school. Very necessary. Very necessary. Seventh, make sure to be suspended from school at least twice, once every month. Very good practice to do this. You will be despised by everyone in school, mocked, perhaps beaten, but hopefully not, and you will lose much of the learning material that you might receive if you were not suspended, which cannot be done, ever, if you wish to succeed in graduating from high school. But that is not the point. Failing is what we are looking at here. Eighth, refrain from attending any classes for at least 2 weeks every month. This is the greatest way to fail high school. You will not only have time to sleep and do whatever you want and annoy your parents and your friends, but you will also know not a single wisp of the material needed to pass your classes and the quarter, and therefore your final grades and high school altogether, and thereby you will not receive your diploma and you will fail high school. This is Andrew Gillette, signing off.